When hanging curtain rods, you must first determine where the bracket goes. In this case, we're going 5 inches beyond the left and right of the window. So measure over your determined distance, in this case 5 inches, and then use a level on that mark to transcribe it to the bracket height. Next, determine if you have wood to screw into. In this case, the top screw is going to hit wood. We're going to use that screw hole to mark the other side, nice and level. Once you get all your marks made, you can install the brackets. First, screw the screw in. This is the top screw that goes into wood in this case. Tighten the screw if need be. Now the second screw does not go into wood, it just goes into sheetrock. So I'm using a 3/16 inch drill bit, drilling a hole, placing the anchor in the hole, and then tapping it in with a hammer. Now screw the bottom screw in the anchor. And the bracket is in. Do that on the other side, and you've got a curtain rod. Good luck on yours.